How to speed ramp in Final Cut Pro X. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So suppose I want to speed up this particular slide of this feather. So what I will do is just simply select it, then go over here, and here you get the option to fast. You can 2x, 4x, 8x or 20x accordingly, and here you get the option of custom as well. Now simply click on the option of custom, and after that this is how it will appear. Now we can increase the rate by increasing the percentage over here. Suppose we want to increase the speed by 20%, so we will type 120 and simply click on enter, and this is how it will become a little faster. Let's do it a little more fast, 400%, and it will reduce its size as well. So this is how it will work. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.